Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Edu-spectra. So now let us see our example number 4. Okay, so the question is in the figure 6.24 if PQ is parallel to RS and angle MXQ. Okay, this is the angle MXQ is equal to 135 and angle MYR. Okay, this is MYR is equal to 40 degree. Find the value of X and Y. Okay, we have to find the value of this full angle. Okay, so let's do the question. So here our first step is to construct a line AB through this point M. Okay, so here you can see this is the point M. We have to construct a straight line like this through this point M. Okay, always when you do the construction it should be dotted lines. Okay, we have learned in our theorem that if PQ is parallel to RS, we can say that PQ is parallel to AB. Similarly, AB is parallel to RS. Okay. So, since PQ is parallel to RS, it is given to you in the question. We can also say that AB, the line that we have constructed, AB is parallel to PQ. Similarly, AB is parallel to this line RS. Why are we saying so? Because in the question it is given that PQ is parallel to RS. Okay, so we have seen the theorem number 6.6. Lines which are parallel to the same lines are parallel to each other. Okay, by using that theorem we have written like this. Now here, in order to find the value of this X and Y angle, okay, so first of all, let's find out what this angle is. Okay, so if you see over here, this angle and this angle, that is your BMY. Okay, angle BMY is equal to 40 degree. If you see over here, this angle and this angle, they are alternate interior angles. Okay, so we can say that this angle is equal to 40 degree, and the reason is they are alternate interior angles. Now here you have got this angle as 40 degree. Now if you see over here, this angle, that is your XMB angle, and this 135 degree, there 5 degree plus angle XMB, okay, plus angle XMB is equal to 180 degree. So from here angle XMB is equal to 180 minus 135, which is equal to 45 degree. Okay, so this angle also you got 45 degree. Now what was our question? The question was to find angle X and Y. So how will you find this full angle? Yes, by adding this individual angle and this individual angle. We have learned our adjacent angle property. So in order to get this full angle, add this angle and this angle. So from here we can write angle X and Y is equal to 40 degree plus 45 degree, which is equal to 85 degree. Okay, so we got the value of angle X and Y as 85 degree. I hope it is clear. Okay, so now let's move on to our example number 5. The question is, if a transversal intersect two lines such that the bisectors of a pair of corresponding angles are parallel, then prove that the two lines are parallel. Okay, so here in the question they have given that this ray BE is parallel to CG. Okay, it is given to you in the question, and we need to prove that this line PQ is parallel to RS. Okay, so let's see how will we do the proof. So we need to prove PQ is parallel to RS, and in the question it is given that BE is parallel to CD. Okay, now also if you see over here, in the question it is said that BE and CD are angle bisector. Okay, so since BE and CG are angle bisectors, we can say that this ray BE divides this angle into two equal halves. So I can say angle ABE is equal to angle QBE. Similarly, here also CG is also angle bisector. So I can say that angle BCG is equal to angle SCG. Okay, because they are angle bisectors, and we know the whenever an angle is bisected, those angles will be equal. Now here I am taking this full angle ABQ. Now we know that by adjacent angle theorem, this angle ABQ can be splitted and written as angle ABE plus angle QBE. Isn't it? Yes. Now we said that angle ABE is equal to angle QBE. So from here um, I am substituting this QBE with this angle ABE. So angle ABQ is equal to angle ABE plus angle ABE because both of them are equal. So from here I will be getting angle ABQ is equal to twice of angle ABE. Okay, then this AB I am keeping it over here. Then this 2 when it goes to the other side it will come to the division. So angle ABE is equal to half of angle ABQ. I will be getting. This I am taking it as equation number 1. Okay. Now similarly here also if you see this angle DSC. Okay. I am splitting it and writing it as angle BCG plus angle SCG. Okay. BCG plus SCG. Now here also we said that BCG is equal to BSG. So instead of this SCG, I am substituting it with BSG. Okay, so angle BCS is equal to angle BCG plus angle BCG. So I will be getting angle BCS is equal to twice of angle BCG. So angle BCG multiplication goes to division is equal to half of angle BCS. Okay, so this equation you can take it as equation number 2. Now, in the question, it is given that BE and CG, they are parallel to each other. So, if they are parallel to each other, we can definitely apply our properties over here. So, if you see over here, this angle ABE and this small angle BCG, okay, they are corresponding angles, isn't it? Because corresponding angles are equal to each other. So since BE and CG are parallel, we can say that this angle and this angle are corresponding angles, and we know corresponding angles are equal. So from here I have written angle ABE is equal to angle BCG. Okay. Now here we have found the value of angle ABE and BCG, isn't it? So we can just substitute it in place of AB and BCG. So you will be getting half of angle ABQ is equal to half of angle BCS. This half you can cancel it off, and finally you will be getting angle ABQ is equal to angle BCS. That is angle ABQ is equal to angle BCS. Okay, now if you see over here, what are these angle ABQ and BCS? Yes, they are this full angle and this full angle. They are corresponding angles to each other. Okay, so we got the corresponding angles equal. So since we got that the corresponding angles are equal, so by using a converse of corresponding angle theorem, we can say that the lines PQ and RS are parallel to each other. Okay, I hope it is clear. So now let's move on to our example number 6. Okay, in the question it says AB is parallel to CD. AB and CD are parallel and CD is parallel to EF. Also, EA is perpendicular to AB. If angle BEF, so this is the angle BEF is equal to 55 degree, find the value of X, Y and Z. So here in the question it is given AB is parallel to CD. Similarly, CD is parallel to EF. So, lines which are parallel to the same lines are parallel to each other. So, if AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF, we can say that AB is also parallel to EF. Okay. So, here if you see, now in order we have to find the value of X, Y, Z. So, if you see this 55 degree and this Y, okay, these are present on two parallel lines and they are co-interior angles. So we know co-interior angles are supplementary to each other. So from here I can write 55 degree plus y is equal to 180 because they are co-interior angles. Okay, so from here you will be getting y is equal to 180 minus 55 degree. So from here you will be getting y is equal to 125 degree. Okay, if you see this line CD and AB are parallel to each other. So if you see this angle y and this angle x, they are corresponding angles, and we know corresponding angles are equal. So from here we can write angle x is equal to angle y because they are corresponding angles. Okay, that means we got the value of y is equal to 125 degree, which means that angle x is also equal to 125 degrees. Okay, so from here we got y is equal to 125 degree, x also equal to 125 degree. Now here we need to find the value of this angle Z. Now in order to do that, first of all we got this angle x as 125 degree. Now can I find the value of this angle? Yes, we can find it. If you see, this is this BE. This is a straight line lying on the line AB. So this x and this angle ABE, they are linear pair to each other. Okay, let me name this angle as 1. Okay, so I can say that angle x plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. Isn't it? Because they form a linear pair. Angle x, it is 125 degree. This angle we don't know is equal to 180 degree. So from here angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 125 degree. So you will be getting angle 1 is equal to 55 degrees. Okay, you got angle 1 is equal to 55 degree, which means this angle is equal to 55 degrees. Okay, now if you see over here, this angle is 55 degree. This angle, it was given in the question that they are perpendicular, so this angle will be 90 degree. Okay, now if you see over here, you can see this is a right angle triangle. Okay, and we know that the sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, it is something which we will be learning in our next topic. But you can just make a note of it. If there are three angles x, y, z inside the triangle, then the total sum of all these angles, that is angle x plus angle y plus angle z, is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so by applying this, we can say that 90 degree plus 55 degree plus this angle Z will make 180 degree. So 90 degree plus 55 degree plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so 90 plus 55, it is 145 plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. So from here angle Z is equal to 180 minus 145. 180 minus 145, which is 35 degree. Okay, so here we have applied the angle sum property of triangle. Okay, we have applied over here angle sum property of triangle. So from here we got angle Z is equal to 35 degree. We got angle x is equal to 125 degree, angle y is equal to 125 degree, and angle Z is equal to 35 degree. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So now let's move on to our exercise number 6.2, first question. Okay, the question is, in the figure, find the value of x and y, then show that AB is parallel to CD. Okay, so here first of all we need to find the values of these angle x and y. So first of all let's find the value of y over here. If you see this angle and this angle, they are vertically opposite angles. So from here we can say that angle y is equal to 135 degree because they are vertically opposite angles, and we know vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. Okay, so we got angle y is equal to 135. Now if you see over here, this 55 and x, okay, they forms a linear pair, isn't it? So from here I can write angle x plus 55 degree is equal to 180. Therefore, angle x is equal to 180 minus 55 degree, and you will be getting angle x is equal to 135 degree. Okay. You got angle x is equal to 135 degree. So we found the value of angle y and angle x is equal to 135. Value of x and y. Now in the question it is also given that show that AB is parallel to CD. Okay, we need to prove that AB is parallel to CD. Now here we have found the value of x as 135 and y as 135. Now if you see over here, this angle x and this angle y, they are alternate interior angles, isn't it? And we see that this angle x is equal to angle y. Angle x is 135, angle y also 135. So from here, since angle x is equal to angle y is equal to 135 degree, because they are alternate interior angles, we know alternate interior angles are equal. So by applying our converse of alternate interior angle, we can say that AB is parallel to CD. Okay, because here we have got the alternate interior angles equal to each other. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So I hope all the concepts that we have discussed today are clear. Now we will be meeting in our next video with the rest of the questions. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.